Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel, Jason's Vlogs and Reviews. And today we're going to be reviewing the Frosted Animal Cookie Blizzard from Dairy Queen. My wife Ashley found it online and we called and they had it, so we're going to try it. And I'm going to get some assistance because I am holding my phone in one hand and...
Because your clip is broke. This is the weirdest review you've ever done.
So, it is, it's delicious. You know, it's got pieces of animal cookie in it.
Tilt the phone down a little bit so you can get more of your face. There you go.
Yeah, it's got pieces of
a pink and white animal cracker cookie.
like the pink and white frosted animal cracker cookies. Of course, it has the sprinkles from the animal cookies as well.
Tasty.
It's very delicious. It's on a vanilla ice cream base. At least that's what it tastes like. So the ice cream takes on the flavor of the animal cookies. It almost has like a birthday cake flavor to it, you know?
I want to say like a sugar cookie.
Or a sugar, yeah, or a sugar cookie flavor.
He mentioned it.
Yeah, I like it.
So go out to your local Dairy Queen and see if they have it.
Yeah, go out to your local Dairy Queen, see if they have, and it's the Frosted Animal Cookie Blizzard. So yeah, go get one, try it, leave it in the comments, tell me what you think about it. I give it a 9 out of 10. What do you think, Joe?
A full 10.
Joey gives it a full 10. What about you?
I'm gonna give it a 7. It's a little on the sweet side.
Ashley gave it a 7.
Kids would love it.
She says kids would love it.
Yeah, to me, it's not too
So,
sweet.
yeah, there you go. Try it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. As always, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're subscribed to my channel, hit the little bell notification so that you're notified every time I upload a video. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and become a...
You almost said it, didn't you? Become a member of the Swamp Family and give a cockroach a back rub.
Yeah, he's found another chick. And I hope guys
Hit that subscribe button if you're not. And I hope to see y'all in the next video. Bye.